Today we will be testing a Bollinger Band breakout strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Bollinger Band breakout strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 592 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator, and a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Bollinger Band breakout strategy. And so the source video says this Bollinger Band trick spots explosive moves before they happen. So kudos to the source video. They didn't make any necessarily wild claims. I mean, I guess you could say that claiming that this strategy spots explosive moves before they happen is a little bit on the unfounded side, but at least they weren't claiming to have a 100% win rate, some secret strategy, or some hidden indicators of some sort, or the best of everything, something along those lines. And so that I will give them props for. But of course, we will put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so we just hid the three indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Bollinger Bands. And this is just the standard built-in Bollinger Bands right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We're going to jump into the settings, and under the length, change that to 50. The MA type should be SMA. The standard deviation, we're going to change that to 1. Then go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 10 in 1 different moving averages. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Jump into the settings, and the MA1 will be SMA. The MA2 will be also an SMA. First one will be set to 200. The second one will be set to 100. Then you can change these colors however you wish. I have MA1 on purple with the almost the highest line weight here, the second to last, and the MA2 is green and the second line weight up. Go ahead and click OK. And the third indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Bollinger Band Squeeze Momentum indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings. Under the inputs, we'll change the BB length to 50 and the BB standard deviation to a 1. The KC length will be on 40, KC factor 1.5. And this third indicator here is where we kind of deviate from the source video. And that's because in the source video, basically what they're looking for is they're looking for when the moving averages are stacked in a bearish or bullish orientation. So when the green is below the orange, so the faster is below the slower one, then we're looking for only short trades. Then the source video explains that we should be looking for the squeeze, or for the Bollinger Bands to tighten back up. But the question is, how do you define that? How do you define the point in which it has tightened versus just a small contraction of some sort? And that's why I added this third indicator to the screen. And so basically this third indicator will tell us when the Bollinger Bands are actually contracting in on themselves to a certain extent, then when they start to expand back out. And you can see that shown right here as the little crosses here go from green, which show that the Bollinger Bands are expanding, or in an expansion state. And then they go to these black and blue little crosses. I changed the size of those crosses in the styles, the green ones here, just because those are the ones that we are most interested in. And so for a short trade setup, what we are looking for is we're looking for the faster moving average to be below the slower moving average like it is here. We're then going to look down to the BB squeeze, and what we want is we want it to have gone into the blue or black crosses like this here, and then into a green cross like this here. And then we also want the background to be red, and ideally price to be trading below the Bollinger Bands, but not 100% necessary. And everything lines up like that right here, which will be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. We want to put our stop just kind of right above this last swing point designated up here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, which will put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice drop to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is we're looking for the faster moving average to be above the slower moving average like this here. Then going to look down to the BB squeeze, and we want it to have gone from the green crosses to blue or black like it does here, and then back to green, and we want the background to also be green as it does that. We then ideally want price to be trading above the Bollinger Bands, but again, not 100% necessary, but it does happen right here as well as the last one. And so this will be our signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade just right below the kind of pivot area right here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, and that would put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we have 14 winning trades and 33 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 28% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $13,200. That would put your total profit and loss at negative $4,800. So whether or not it is able to detect explosive moves, I guess it could in theory, but in this particular case, it didn't ultimately lead to profitability. And so during the same period of time, we did right at 82 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. We had right at a 74% win rate and a total gain right at $28,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's going to do it for this strategy. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.